Let me take you on a tour about the Eobot website. So let's start off with the home. Exchange, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Eobot operational since 2013 and located in the United States, is a real-time exchange allowing trading between Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dogecoin, Ripple, Dash, Golem, Cardano, Curecoin, NEM, Monero, Zcash, Factom, Bitcoin, Steam, Lisk, EOS, USD, Gridcoin and Ethereum Classic. Your funds are always safe due to our public, edit and hacker policies. Let your computer relax. Our cloud solution will mine and hash whatever cryptocurrency you need. Get started with as little as $10 with immediate mining results. Then go to the login button. If you have a login, you can enter your email and password. Now click the sign up button. If you're on the sign up button, you have to enter your first name, last name, email and password. And click I'm not a robot. Then when you click sign up, you will have to verify your account. Go to the WeIsCoins website to find more about Bitcoin. Thank you for watching and don't forget to leave a like, comment down below. And subscribe.